Hello, guys. Welcome to our. Hello, good morning, everyone. Once again, I want to welcome you to my live stream. My name is RexSam, the Solar Doctor, the Celebrity Engineer. I am always available to give you details concerning solar energy and how you can start up your solar business and equally run the basic installations, having the professional knowledge on how solar energy works and how you can equally make it a business. Like I said, in today's live streams, I want everyone that is watching this to get connected by tapping on the subscription button. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it, like my channel, then tune on the notification button so that you'll be getting every information as I drop it per time. I am here once again to talk on a topic I titled Solar Industrial Analysis. What are we doing and what is the future of solar energy in the world, in our country, and also in Nigeria precisely? Like I said, solar industrial analysis is nothing but examining the state or the current state of the solar industries and the prospective future. How does this happen? Knowing and assessing the current state of solar industries and also knowing the future prospects of this particular industry. Why is this topic important? It is very important for every investor to study this particular aspect of this industry, knowing what is needed in the industry and the current state of the industry, which is the solar energy, and where you will invest most. Why is it important also? This will help you to know when to do the right investment and when not to invest in it. It will also help you to know the growth, the right growth that is happening in the industry. What is important about this topic? Why do we take time to do this? It will help you as a beginner. Probably you have your money and you are intending going into solar business, or you intend going into solar production or into manufacturing of solar energy. It is important to listen to this topic. You will learn everything you need to know before you can start up this solar business. You can equally, as a business owner and someone that is already in the industry, know the things you need to do per time in order to make more profit and also build up the humanity by encouraging the growth and investing properly at the right time. So why is this important? I've been able to establish the fact that this will help you when the awareness of the things you know about it will help you to make your right investment and when not to invest, and the places to invest and the places not to invest also. So this morning, if you are joining, I want you to join with me, connect, and keep watching as I treat this particular topic. Why is it important? I've discussed why it is important and what are the things we are trying to assess or analyze. Like I said, solar industry analysis is nothing but examining or assessing the current state of solar industry and the future prospect of the industry. So why do we do this? There are some certain factors that we need to consider when studying this. What are we trying to analyze? We're trying to analyze the states. When I mean the state, I mean what is happening in the industry. So those things that are happening in the industry that you need to consider. First, you need to consider the market trend whenever you are starting up a solar business. You look at the market trend, then you look at the industrial or the technological advancements in the industry, and we equally look at the regulatory policies of the government. So all these things are the things that we need to know, and also know the competitive of the landscape in this industry. How does this happen? Knowing the trend will help you to know when to invest. Knowing the trend of this system will help you to know the particular thing to produce where to send it to, and what people are looking up to. What do we mean by this market trend? What do people in the market need? When we talk about the market, we talk about the globe, we talk about the society that needs it. So, what are their demands? What is trending there? What do they need to know? What are those things that they need? Knowing these things will help you to know what to produce exactly and know the right places to market them. How does this happen? Market trend can be determined by so many factors. The choice of the goods that people use, the demand of the goods, how do people demand this particular goods? So when you know that this is the trend in the market, I think it is a signal for you to produce more, and it is also a signal for you to know that this particular brand will move in there. For instance, you consider other components of solar system or other components of solar energy, such as the inverter, the solar panel, the charge controller. So these things are very important. And when you know the market trend, know where they are being used, it will help you to know that this is what these people want. Like I said, if you are still joining now, subscribe as I keep on updating you. When I've treated the market trend, then we are going to look at what we terms the technological advancement. So these technological advancements have to do with the innovations, have to do with the innovations of the new solar items, either the solar cells, the solar panel. All these things have to know. You have to know the innovations that you need to do and know the innovations that others have done also to make the market sustainable. These innovations can be affected by manufacturing factors, and they can also be affected by the new inventories. So it can also be affected by the production processes. So these are the things you need to know, that when you are talking about the analysis of in solar industries or the solar industrial analysis, that these factors are key to be studied, and you need to take proper study of all these factors to help you move forward and make more profits when you are investing in solar energy industry. So likewise, as you know the technological advancements or the improvements that needed to be done, including the other trends you need to consider during production. The factors of production should be there in order to produce a new thing and make it demanding to people, make it attractive to people. It is important you note that this technological advancement is important. You must keep on renovating the invented ones and also invent new things into the industry in order to keep it sustained. And this, when you do this, it will help you to know the future of this industry and how solar system is coming up. Currently in Nigeria, everybody has switched to solar system. Why? It is the demand, a high demand now, because everybody needs electricity. And when you come to Nigeria to invest, you have to also study these things I'm telling you right now. You need to know what people need. You need to go to the markets and know the trend. Go to various markets in Nigeria and find out the things they need, where it moves higher than others. Then that is where you locate your market, and people will always patronize you. Apart from investing in the right places, you are not going to make a maximum profit. I know you are getting value in this my series. I have decided to be coming online and on my live streams every Wednesdays and Thursdays. Please stay connected. By this time, 3 a.m. every morning, I will be dropping the update serially, and I believe we will make the solar system and the solar industry grow together. Just keep following my live stream all the time, and also watch my videos and my shorts every time we go to the field. I will always make it plain and practical training is done in order for you to understand anything you need to know. Recommend the channel to anyone that wants to invest in solar system, and equally tell them to get connected so that they will be receiving the updates and information concerning solar. Like I said, we're still discussing on the solar industry analysis, and I have been able to tell you the factors or the things you need to study, the things you need to analyze. When we are talking about analysis, we talk about assessing these factors like the market trend, the industrial or the technological advancement. We now talk about the regulatory policies. When we talk about the regulatory policies, which is the third one, you should be able to know that you need to examine the government policies, what works there and what doesn't work there. What are the rules of the government? Where do they permit you to work in? Where do they allow you to establish such businesses? What are their environmental permissions for such to be done? You should also learn when it is proper and when it is improper. You know the local area rules and regulations so that you will not just go there and invest in the wrong places. You should consider the government rules and also consider the people's demand, and you improve more by studying the technological advancements of the system, which is the innovations that is very important. And I mentioned earlier before now that you should consider the competitive landscape. It is also one of the factors that everyone that is invested in solar industry should be able to know. How does this happen? You should know the right positioning. You should know the right positioning by evaluating the important places of the components. So you should know where you want to start the manufacturing and where you want people to see you. You should be able to study it very well before you start up this business. I know that this topic is so important, though it is very small, but I know I've been able to chip in some certain things that you need to know, and these factors are very key. Remember, our topic says solar industrial analysis. And what are we analyzing? We're analyzing the market trend, we're analyzing the technological advancement in the system. We are also analyzing the government policies or the regulatory policies. Then we also analyze the competitive landscape. So why is this thing necessary? So I've been able to establish the fact that the overall essence of this is to know the future, is to know the current state of this particular industries and also the future of the industry. So knowing all these things will help you to invest properly and make your profits. You know when it is growing and when it is not growing. So why do I need to invest in solar system right now? And why do I need to retrieve my resources in the system too? And what does the future hold for us in this solar energy system? So it is important you come to my live stream every morning, as I will be bringing you the updates always. Keep connected and keep watching my videos. Go to my previous videos, you will be amazed on the values you will receive. I am here to build up a community where we'll be sharing the technological advancements in solar energy and also the practical steps on how you can do it yourself and turn it into a business, because the world is a business stage that everyone wants to trend on. And solar energy is also one of the hot demands, the hot on demand that everybody needs electricity, and solving the electricity problem or the power instability, solar energy has come to close the gap of complaint. Therefore, you need to study this by coming to my channel always and learn how you can practically do it by yourself. Either you generate in mega quantities or you generate in mega power, even in ordinary wattage, you can actually use it to enjoy yourself every time. Once again, I am RexSam, the Solar Doctor. Subscribe and keep watching my video. Thank you for coming in to join this live stream. I promise you, by this time tomorrow, I will be here live again to share my view on solar system with you. Thank you for always watching my video. See you in my next live streams. Don't forget to watch my videos and the one I just uploaded now. If you go down there, you see I have a lot of video that is interesting and also educating. Most especially, I teach you on science and technology. And when you look at this, engineering is a core value in the society, and we need to professionally and practically do it right in order to keep our society better. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you.